Are you considering AliDeopship for your dropshipping venture? But a nagging question keeps popping into your head. Is AliDeopship trusted? You've seen the promises of easy store creation and automation, but with so many online platforms out there, it's natural to be skeptical. You're probably wondering if it's a legitimate tool, if people actually succeed with it, and what the real pros and cons are beyond the marketing hype. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AliDeopship to give you a comprehensive, honest look at whether it's a trustworthy platform for your dropshipping business. We'll explore its features, pricing, user experiences, and compare it to alternatives so you can make an informed decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of AliDeopship's reliability and whether it aligns with your entrepreneurial goals. First, let's establish some context. Dropshipping, as you probably know, is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This model has exploded in popularity because it significantly reduces upfront costs and eliminates the need for inventory management. However, the success of a dropshipping business hinges heavily on the reliability of the tools and suppliers you choose. This is where AliDeopship comes in. AliDeopship is primarily known for its WordPress plugin, which allows you to create a dropshipping store and import products directly from AliExpress. It's often touted as a one-time payment solution, a significant draw for many entrepreneurs looking to avoid recurring monthly fees that other platforms like Shopify charge. This immediately sets it apart. But does a one-time payment equate to a trusted, long-term solution? Let's break down the core functionalities and what users typically experience. The plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress and WooCommerce, which is a big plus if you're already familiar with these platforms or prefer the flexibility and control they offer. You get automation features for product imports, inventory updates, and even order fulfillment with just a few clicks. This automation is a major selling point, promising to save you countless hours. Imagine, a customer places an order, and the plugin can automatically place that order with the AliExpress supplier. Pretty neat, right? Beyond the plugin, AliDeopship also offers custom store building services. This is for those who want a ready-made solution, often pre-built with high-converting designs and pre-installed features tailored to specific niches. For absolute beginners, this can be incredibly appealing, as it removes the technical hurdles of setting up a website from scratch. They even offer established stores which have already made sales, theoretically providing a proven track record. This sounds almost too good to be true, so it's worth scrutinizing. So, on the surface, AliDeopship seems to offer a comprehensive package. But what about the trusted aspect? This is where we need to look at user reviews, potential downsides, and the realities of dropshipping. When you scour reviews and forums, you'll find a mix of experiences. Many users praise AliDeopship for its affordability, particularly the one-time payment model for the plugin, which is a significant cost saver compared to subscription-based alternatives. The automation features are frequently highlighted as highly beneficial, allowing dropshippers to focus more on marketing and less on manual tasks. Users also appreciate the level of control they have over their store's design and functionality, thanks to its integration with WordPress. The lifetime support is another frequently mentioned advantage, with many users reporting responsive and helpful customer service. This is crucial for any online business, especially for beginners who might need a lot of guidance. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users report a learning curve, especially if they are new to WordPress and WooCommerce. While the platform aims for ease of use, getting familiar with all the settings and optimizing your store for SEO can take time and effort. This isn't necessarily a flaw of AliDeopship, but rather a reality of building any online business that gives you a high degree of control. Another point of contention can be the reliance on AliExpress. While AliExpress offers a vast product range and low prices, it also means that product quality and shipping times can vary significantly between suppliers. This is a common challenge in the dropshipping world, regardless of the platform you use, but it's something to be aware of. Some complaints have surfaced regarding issues with image loading from AliExpress or occasional plugin bugs after updates. While AliDeopship's support is generally well regarded for being responsive, these issues can still be frustrating. Furthermore, while AliDeopship provides marketing tools, some users find them less comprehensive than those offered by more expensive, all-in-one platforms like Shopify. If you're looking for a fully integrated marketing suite, you might need to supplement AliDeopship with additional tools or plugins. When we talk about trust, we also need to address any scam allegations. Like any popular online business tool, AliDeopship has faced isolated complaints. Some users have reported unsatisfactory experiences with custom store builds, citing design inconsistencies or slow progress on requested changes. There have also been discussions about the plugin potentially overloading CPU and slowing down websites, which usually points to the need for robust hosting. It's important to differentiate between isolated bad experiences and a systemic scam. Based on a majority of reviews and its long-standing presence in the market, AliDeopship is widely considered legitimate, not a scam. The Better Business Bureau shows a relatively low number of complaints over the last 3 years for a company of its size, and most appear to be addressed. So, how does AliDeopship stack up against its alternatives? If you're looking for a fully hosted, more beginner-friendly platform with extensive app stores and potentially faster shipping options, often from US/EU suppliers, Shopify or even platforms like Spocket and Zendrop might be better choices, though they come with recurring monthly fees. If you're already entrenched in WordPress or prefer the control and cost-effectiveness of a self-hosted solution, AliDeopship is a strong contender. Its closest competitor in this space would often be a manual WooCommerce setup with various individual plugins, but AliDeopship aims to consolidate many of those functions. Ultimately, is AliDeopship trusted? Yes, for the most part, it is. It's a legitimate tool that many dropshippers use successfully. Its strength lies in its one-time payment model, deep integration with WordPress, automation features, and generally reliable customer support. It empowers users with significant control over their stores, which can be a huge advantage for those who want to customize and optimize every aspect of their business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.